Today we are going to change the carburetor on a Briggs & Stratton 093J O2 engine for a Viking MB 253.1 T Lawnmower. Remove the cover and the air filter by hand. Remove the top cover using an 8mm socket. Unscrew the bolts holding the base in place. You now have access to the carburetor. Slowly remove the carb, disconnecting the two links. Disconnect the fuel line. You have now freed the carburetor. If not replacing, check the spring and all the seals and gaskets are in good condition, then clean with a suitable spray. Get the new carburetor and place it into position. Reattach the links. Connect the fuel line. Place the base into position and secure with the bolts. Place the air filter back along with the cover. Then replace the top cover and secure. That's how you change the carburetor on a Briggs & Stratton engine for the Viking lawnmower. All the parts and tools needed for this task are listed in the description below. Please like, share and subscribe if you found this video helpful.